Hey guys, welcome back from Insanity Films. Alessio here, your host. And now you're thinking, what is he doing on a Monday? Well, yeah, we were expecting a Thursday episode. Yes, the Thursday episode is coming and it's gonna be Pixel 3 versus Pixel 4. But today I was thinking, why don't we do a Monday pill? And this is how I'm gonna call this little pill what it is. This is what it is. It's a pill on Monday. And I'm gonna do for you an unboxing of the Google Pixel 4 Oh So Orange. I just wanna point out like a couple of things here about the Google Pixel. I've been using Google Pixel 2 XL and now Google Pixel 3, and now I got an email just right now, this morning, the Google Pixel 4 Oh So Orange. But I have to say, after watching a lot of reviews and videos, I'm not really like crazy about it. Like the step that they did from the 3 to the 4 is like, it's not a big leap. And this is what we're gonna talk about in the Thursday episode. So make sure you subscribe, comment down below, like, and give us more ideas how to do the Thursday episodes with the visual effects, video editing, filmography, or whatever you wanna call it. Connected to tech, of course. But Tech for Dummies. What I mean is, who doesn't want technology to be explained in a proper English way? It's not that we are all dummies, but... And for those who are just tuning in for the first time, this is Insanity Films, Alessio here, your host, and every Thursday we're gonna do this new series called Tech for Dummies. And if you forgot about the giveaway, check the first episode in the cards. Right now, check it, one of this way. Because the giveaway is a Canon EOS 250D, and I have one, actually I have two, and I gotta say,
I like it a lot.
is actually the one that I'm filming this video right now and all the other videos from Tech for Dummies.
Shut up!
Alright, enough talking. Let's get to the unboxing and this Monday Pill episode. Alright, so let's open this bad boy. Here we go. Cutter box. Yeah, it's a really nice package, I gotta say. Really nice. Let's see what's the other package look like inside. The cardboard one. Usually was like a normal one for the Google Pixel 3, but I have a feeling that this one, Google Pixel 4, is gonna be a little better. And yeah, it is. Yes, it is a little bit better. Looks like made on purpose for the Google Pixel 4. So yeah, we need to open it from this side. So peel this way, and oh my god, it worked really well. Nice. And there it is, the Google Pixel 4 Oh So Orange. Ta-da! Yeah, it looks really nice. Packaging really cool. And I got it in 4 days, so yep, that was really nice too. Nice touch. The box looks a little bit different from the Google Pixel 3 one, more colorful, I gotta say. To open the box, you have to peel these little stripes off from each side, and the second one, and here we go. Now we are ready for the smooth unboxing of Google Pixel 4. 1, 2, 3. And voila, here we have it, the Google Pixel 4 Oh So Orange. Yeah, I don't know, this name is kind of weird, but like, yeah, all these phone names are weird. Whoa, feels heavier maybe, I don't know. Let's put it aside for a second. Google Home Away 2. Let's see what's inside. The usual crap, the paper stuff. Yeah, the little clip for the SIM card. There it is. The usual guide, which is kind of useless, I gotta say. And the cable. Yeah, the cable that you connect to your computer and to your phone to charge it. And then that's the adapter. And the brick, the power brick, fast charging power brick. And yeah, let's compare them just for a second. Yeah, I actually missed the fingerprint in the back, especially the swiping down, but yeah, let's talk it on this Thursday. Let's peel this off. Oh, all right. There it is, a shiny new Google Pixel 4 Oh So Orange. Feels super smooth. a touch. Very smooth. I don't know what kind of material it is, but it looks super matte. And yeah, it's not like a fingerprint magnet, I gotta say. The screen, of course, it is, like most screens. Let's turn this beast on and let's do a quick setup. Let's wait for the Google logo. Nice animation as usual. And yeah, I missed the fingerprint swipe in the back. It's kind of nice to bring the notification down. So we're gonna use my other phone just to set it up very quick. So with the cable, but let's put this on the side for a second. All right, let's set it up. Next, for the language, I'm gonna select UK, but whatever, use your language. No SIM card for now. Skip it. And then the Wi-Fi, I'm just gonna put my Wi-Fi 1 second. Let's put it on. Insanity Films, and we are on. Now it's checking for updates right away, just in case the software needs an update. It will do it right away when you're connected to the Wi-Fi, which is a really good thing. Alright, now it's asking us if we want to copy the data over from the old phone. I'll say yes. It asks you to connect the cable from one device to the other. So we'll connect the Pixel 4 first and then connect it to the Google Pixel 3 right away. Now it's ready. We just wait for the Google Pixel 3 to give us, yeah, it recognizes it and is asking me to authorize it. So I'm gonna press next and is asking me for my fingerprint. So I'll do that. And here we go. And I authorize it. Say yes, next. Checking for the accounts, and on the other phone it will start right away. Hi Alessio, yeah, that's me. And it's asking for your main Google account, which I already did. And there we go. Now it's copying all the data. It's asking me for permissions to copy everything. I have to say that the setting up the face recognition was a little bit long and not really straightforward. Like, was kind of confusing, but yeah, at the end I did it, so we are in. It's like the other Google Pixel 3 setup, all your options, the new swiping gestures, and setting up everything. And yeah, final touches, it's copying everything over. And 3, 2, 1, and we have our new Google Pixel 4 setup. Basically now all the applications are updating, and I can disconnect the cable from the Google Pixel 3 and put it on its Pixel stand. Everything Google! Let's put the cable back in the box. Looks nice, feels nice too, yes. But we need to do the comparison properly this Thursday, this upcoming Thursday, to see what it's all about, this Google Pixel 4. Was just messing around a little bit with the camera, was trying to take a selfie and see if this new camera is really nice. Me being silly, as usual, like a portrait mode. And I took a photo and yeah, it looked usually nice, like Google Pixel 3. I don't see much of a difference. I can see just my skin tone is a little bit better than it used to be in the Google Pixel 3. It was more yellowish and now it's more orangey magenta. Yeah, here we have them side by side. The Google Pixel 3 on my left and Google Pixel 4 on my right. They look really nice, both of them, I have to say. The white one on my left, still I love it, and the Google Pixel 4 on my right, the orange, the Oso orange, it looks good, it looks good. But we need to do this proper comparison this Thursday on Tech for Dummies episode number 3, so make sure you guys stay tuned. We're gonna compare the cameras, we're gonna compare speed, we're gonna compare videos and photos, and overall if this upgrade is worth it or not. Just messing around a little bit with the new camera options, I gotta say that I like it. It's really nice because you got all your options right there in front of you. You don't have to go to settings. It's really straightforward, and it feels really cool. Yeah, you can tap option and settings right there and it'll take you straight to the settings. And then I tried the zoom a little bit, the new exposure settings, whatever you want to call it, and yeah, it looks really nice. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do this Thursday on Tech for Dummies episode number 3. If you want to see a comparison between Google Pixel 3 and 4, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on, and this Thursday you will see the comparison. And here it is, the Google Pixel 4 Oh So Orange. Sorry, but I cannot say it another way. It's literally oh so orange. And yeah, if you want to take a look. I like the back of it. It's really nice and smooth. I need to test it, so remember to subscribe, comment down below, and let us know if you want to see these episodes on Thursday. Google Pixel 3, which is right there, versus Google Pixel 4. And I think that a comparison between these two is way overdue. Google Pixel 3 versus Google Pixel 4 for dummies. Like, I mean, myself, I'm not like a super tech genius. At the end of the day, we really need to know if it's really worth it to buy a Google Pixel 4 to upgrade or wait for the Google Pixel 5 or something like that. So make sure you stay tuned to see the next episode on Thursday, which is going to be Google Pixel 3 versus Google Pixel 4. If you want to enter the competition for the giveaway, make sure you check the first episode, Tech for Dummies episode 1, where we show how to get into the giveaway. That's all for this episode of Monday Peel with the Google Pixel 4 Oh So Orange unboxing. And I'll see you this Thursday for the 3rd episode of Tech for Dummies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Thursday.